Welcome back to the channel where we continue to make digital insights with our web marketing and analytics. Today we're going to talk about how to make an impact with your web metrics so that when you're presenting, you can have actionable things to take, next steps and to-do items, asking powerful questions, and then using data to set SMART goals. So let's start off with actionable. A lot of times people talk about insights, but what really this means is every time you give a presentation, you should present the data, and then you should present either how it impacted the business or the next actionable step. So what can we do to improve web performance? How can I grow the business 10% from what we are currently doing? So every single thing that when you present a data slide should have an impact on the business, and then already you should have how this will either making a change will impact the business or what we can do, possible next steps to impact the business. Then you want to talk about credible. Is the data credible? Is it accurate? What is the impact of the website on paid marketing? How does search marketing impact your email marketing? How does your marketing work together to drive sales or revenue or top line growth or bottom line growth, the margin of revenue and how much profit you're actually making? So you want to ask more credible questions, have your data and your information show that everything you're doing is actually working and making the business grow. Is it relative? What type of traffic is driving revenue? Is paid traffic contributing to sales? Is your email marketing actually growing revenue or profit margin? These are the questions that you should be asking of your website and your marketing strategy so that your overall marketing strategy is having an impact on your business. Then you want to start thinking. Whenever you look at a website, if a number is down, why did it go down? If a number is up, what are some of the things that contributed to that number going up? And then are those numbers that you're reporting, your report decks at the end of the month or at the beginning of the week, however often your cadence is, really should be the things that drive the most impact in your business. So what is the next action step out of each slide that you're doing? What does it cost to earn $1 on our website? What is the call to action on each page of the website? On the landing page is the buy now featured, is the top products featured on the most traffic pages. What pages get the most traffic? If they are getting the most traffic, are they driving the most sales or contributing to the most revenue? If you've got a lot of pages getting traffic, but you're not getting revenue out of them or inquiries or questions, then you need to either change the content, change the price, change the call to action button, but think about each page of your website, think about the numbers rather than just as you report a number, as you put it on a slide, before you even present it, think about how that's contributing overall to the impact of the business. Then your business. Do you understand your business metrics? What drives revenue? What doesn't drive revenue? What the business is trying to accomplish? Are you looking for leads? Are you looking for sales? Are you looking for gross revenue? Is there items that have a higher profit margin? Or what is your sales cycle? What do you need to do now to impact sales in 6 months? What do you need to change about your website that could impact sales either in the next month or in the next 3 months? So how can you make changes to your website? How can you use the data that you're bringing in, and how can you actually change that your business is more profitable, drives more revenue, and that your digital marketing strategies are having an impact overall on what the business goals are? So when you're looking for your website traffic, there's 3 things that you're really trying to do. Is it relative? Is it actionable? And is it credible to what the business is trying to accomplish? And then you want to think about it in a bigger picture term, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, the next year. What steps that can you take today? How are they going to impact your revenue and your overall business in the next month, 3 months, 6 months? And what things are causing changes in your web traffic? Is your acquisition source different? Is your digital strategy different? Is your paid search budget gone down? Has your top 5 web pages, have they changed over time? Is there any seasonality to your business? These are the questions that you want to ask. What could the audience do as a result of your findings? If you don't know what the data means, who is the person that can tell you what that data means? What campaigns externally or internally are influencing the business? So make sure everything you do when you report the metrics, either on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, what is the next actionable steps to drive impact to your business?